Hello farmers, hello viewers, welcome to K&M Farms. My name is Esther Njoroge, agronomist K&M Farms. Today we are doing farm scouting and we are scouting macadamia tree, as you can see. As you can see, so and the tree, it is in flowering and fruiting stage. These are the flowers and these are the fruits. And while I was doing scouting, we noticed that the fruits are affected by mealybugs, and mealybugs, and ants, they have a symbiotic relationship. As you can see, the white residue there, or the white thing, they are the mealybugs honeydew. The mealybugs excrete honeydew, and ants feed on those honeydew. So when doing scouting, one of the alert thing to when you see ants, it should click in your mind that there must be something that the ants are feeding on. So in this tree, we followed the ant trail from the trunk of the stem. From here at the base, there are some ants here on the other side of the tree. They come up with if you follow the ant trails, especially here, there are some ants that are coming up following the ant trail. It will lead you to where they are getting their food. So if you see, these are the cluster of the fruits. This is macadamia tree, macadamia fruits. So you see, these are the mealybugs, and they are eating from the excrete. Remember, we said mealybugs, they excrete honeydew, and ants, they like something sugar, and that honeydew, it is sugary. So the ants will make sure, even if it is the mealybugs are at early stages, they can help you identify the mealybugs. So while doing your scouting, you get to know if mealybugs is controlled or not. Another thing, it's not only mealybugs that ants follow, they also follow pests like aphids, because also aphids excrete those dew. Also white flies, when you have a big colony or a large colony of white flies, they can also help you to identify which pest it is affecting your crop. So, and ants, they protect the colony very much, because it is the source of food for them. So they will protect from like the biological predators like ladybirds. So you'll see the colony here. They are protecting these colony of mealybugs, and also they help in transmitting the eggs from. They can remove these the mealybugs from this cluster to another branch. So the main thing is to control. First, it is to control the ants, and then you control the mealybugs. Remember to control ants first, then mealybugs. Why? The ants protect the colony of mealybugs, and if you don't control ants, they will keep on spreading to other branches or to other trees. Another thing is mealybugs also affect leaves or the branches, not only the fruits. If you can see here, this was initially affected by mealybugs. That is why it is curling or it is bending, and this branch is straight. So this is the difference. You can identify the effects of mealybugs. When this branch was a tender stage, it was affected, so it started curling, and like this one, which was not affected, it is straight. Another branch that was affected is this one. You can see the curling, the bending of the branch. So hope you have learned something today while doing the scouting for your fruits and macadamia, and follow us for more tips, farming tips. Until next time, bye bye.